There's nothing worse than sitting in a sweltering room while the temperature keeps climbing and every decent air conditioner seems completely out of reach. But what if powerful cooling could fit both your space and your budget? In today's countdown, we're revealing the top 5 best portable air conditioners under budget, featuring affordable options that deliver impressive performance without breaking the bank. Make sure to stay until the end to see which model earns our top recommendation, and if one catches your eye, you'll find all the product links waiting in the description below. Now let's move to number 5. We have the Feelfunn Portable Air Conditioner. Designed for dorm rooms, bedrooms, home offices, and smaller apartments, this compact cooling solution delivers 8,000 BTUs of cooling power for spaces up to 350 square feet while maintaining an excellent balance of affordability and performance. Beyond cooling, it features a built-in dehumidifier capable of removing up to 45 pints of moisture per day, helping rooms feel fresher, lighter, and more comfortable even during humid weather. Its quiet 48 decibel operation makes it suitable for studying, working, relaxing, or sleeping without becoming a constant distraction. While rooms with intense direct sunlight may require additional shading to maximize performance, the Feelfunn remains an excellent choice for renters, students, and budget-conscious buyers looking for reliable cooling in compact living spaces. Coming up next at number 4 is the Coolblus Portable Air Conditioner. Built around an 8500 B2 cooling system, this portable unit is designed to cool rooms up to 350 square feet while emphasizing affordability, efficiency, and fast results. According to its specifications, it can help reduce temperatures to as low as 61 degrees within approximately 15 minutes under suitable conditions, making it especially useful when you need immediate relief from summer heat. Its dehumidification system removes up to 45 pints of moisture daily, helping create a more comfortable indoor environment while supporting overall cooling efficiency. Setup is straightforward and user-friendly, allowing buyers to start cooling quickly without complicated installation procedures. Although its 52 decibel sleep mode is slightly louder than some competitors, the combination of strong cooling performance, humidity control, and budget-friendly pricing makes the Coolblus a highly attractive option for apartments, bedrooms, and home offices. Let's keep the momentum going. At number 3, we have the EUHOMY Portable Air Conditioner. Designed for users who need more cooling power, this unit delivers 10,000 BTUs of performance and can effectively cool rooms up to 450 square feet, making it a noticeable upgrade over many smaller portable models. It excels not only at lowering temperatures, but also at managing humidity, removing up to 61 pints of moisture per day to help create a cooler, cleaner, and more comfortable living environment during long summer heat waves. The convenient tool-free installation process allows for quick setup, making it especially appealing to renters and apartment residents who want hassle-free cooling. While the powerful 400 CFM airflow can produce a noticeable 50 decibel sound level at maximum output, most buyers will find the added cooling strength well worth the trade-off. For larger rooms, home offices, studios, and urban apartments, the EUHOMY delivers impressive performance without demanding a premium price. Before we move into the top 2 positions, don't forget that all product links can be found in the description below if you'd like to compare prices and availability. Breaking into the top 2, the DREO Portable Air Conditioner takes the number 2 position. Rather than focusing solely on cooling power, DREO combines effective climate control, intelligent features, and whisper-quiet operation into a package that feels significantly more premium than its price suggests. Its 8,000 B2 cooling system is capable of projecting cool air up to 14 feet away, helping distribute comfort more evenly throughout the room instead of concentrating it in a single area. Smart features including voice control, app connectivity, and a customizable sleep curve allow users to tailor cooling schedules to fit their lifestyle, while patented noise isolation technology keeps sound levels as low as 45 decibels for a more peaceful environment. The self-evaporating design further enhances convenience by reducing the need for manual drainage, even in high humidity conditions. Although the window kit may require slightly more effort during installation, the overall experience is remarkably refined, making the DREO one of the best choices for remote workers, apartment residents, students, and anyone who values comfort, convenience, and quiet operation. And finally, taking the #1 spot on our list, we have the BLACK+DECKER Portable Air Conditioner. Built to deliver dependable cooling and everyday practicality, this unit features an 8,000 B2 cooling system capable of handling rooms up to 400 square feet, making it an ideal solution for apartments, bedrooms, dormitories, and home offices. One of its standout features is the integrated Follow Me remote, which acts as a localized thermostat to monitor temperatures closer to where you're sitting, helping create a more personalized and consistent cooling experience. Its portable design allows users to move the unit from room to room with ease, providing flexibility that permanent installations simply cannot match. While proper window sealing is important to maximize efficiency due to its single hose design, once installed correctly, the BLACK+DECKER delivers reliable performance, convenient mobility, and user-friendly operation. For budget-conscious buyers seeking practical and dependable cooling, it remains one of the strongest portable air conditioner options available today. After comparing every portable air conditioner on today's list, one model consistently stood out by offering the best combination of cooling performance, smart functionality, quiet operation, and long-term value. The winner is the DREO Portable Air Conditioner. While the Feelfunn excels in compact spaces, the Coolblus delivers rapid cooling, the EUHOMY provides extra power for larger rooms. And the BLACK+DECKER offers outstanding flexibility. The DREO successfully combines nearly every feature buyers want in a portable air conditioner. Its 14-foot airflow improves cooling distribution. Voice and app controls add modern convenience. Customizable sleep settings enhance nighttime comfort. The self-evaporating design minimizes maintenance. And its whisper-quiet 45 decibel operation creates an experience that feels far more premium than its price category suggests. Most importantly, it delivers effective cooling without forcing buyers to overspend, which is exactly why it earns our top recommendation. That wraps up our countdown of the best portable air conditioners under budget. If one of these units feels like the perfect solution for your apartment, dorm room, bedroom, office, or living space, you'll find all the links waiting in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future reviews. Thank you for watching. And remember, the best portable air conditioner isn't the one that makes the most noise, it's the one that quietly makes summer disappear.